welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to share 5 amazing websites that really help you to improve your coding skills. We all have been learning some programming languages since our first year of college, right? And we all know just reading theory is not enough. To really improve, we have to practice coding questions. But the biggest problem is we don't even know which questions to practice. So today I am sharing 5 amazing websites where you can practice different types of coding questions starting from basic to difficult. And trust me, these questions will truly help you to level up your skills. So the first website is HackerRank. This website is perfect for beginners who want to solve questions in C++, Java, Python and more. Plus you get certificate after completing the tracks, which you can proudly add to your resumes. Then the second website is LeetCode. If you are serious about getting better at coding, especially for coding interviews, LeetCode is must. It has thousands of problems from easy to hard and even company-specific questions from Amazon, Microsoft, Google and more. If you dream of working at top company, you need to practice here. Then the third website is Codeforces. If you want to participate in competitive programming and problem solving under time pressure, Codeforces is for you. They conduct regular contests where you can compete with people around the world and seriously boost your skills. Then the fourth website is GeeksforGeeks. This website is amazing if you are serious about data structures and algorithms. You will find topic-wise problems like array, tree, graphs, all with detailed explanation. It's perfect when you want to master one topic at a time. And now the last website is freeCodeCamp. If you love to build real-world projects, freeCodeCamp is for you. They offer full course on web development, machine learning and much more for all free. And the best part, you work on real-world projects and earn certificates to showcase your skills on your resumes. So before ending this video, I want to give you one small tip which I follow. Pick any one website, set a small daily target like solving 2 or 3 questions a day and just stay consistent. Then you will shock at how much better you get in few weeks. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below from which website you start your coding practice. Till then, bye bye.